My heart is pounding. Ready, set. That's a lot. Hi guys! I'm scared the neighbors are gonna hear me. Okay. Hi guys! Okay, retake. Hi guys, so right now I'm gonna be doing a challenge video and it's don't water slide through the wrong mystery box. And I saw this on Cam and Jeff's channel and Rebecca's, so shout out to you guys. I thought it'd be really fun and I really wanted to do a challenge video outside. So there's two slides right here, a blue and a yellow one, and I asked you guys on Instagram which one I should go through, and one of them has a punishment and one of them is totally fine. So you guys are gonna decide which one I'm gonna go through. Shall be interesting. So don't forget to subscribe to the movie right here and down below and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's get started on this slip and slide challenge. Let's go. Okay, so since I don't want to get this ruined and I don't want to wear a bathing suit just in case I get flagged or something because my boobs tend to pop out, I'm gonna get into this shirt. Okay, now we styling. Also, I have like a full face of makeup and my hair done, so that was like pointless. Let's see what you guys voted. Henna behind the camera is going to put on one of them.
Okay, so I'm about to put chili on one of these. I'm kind of feeling number 2, so let's go ahead and put it on that one. Yup.
Birds are literally yelling. Okay, so Kenna put it on one of them. I'm gonna check which one you guys want me to go through. Also, I got my goggles for extra. Okay. Okay, so 60% of you voted number 2, 40% of you voted for number 1. Guys, I hope you got my back. Let's turn number 2 on. We turn on the water. I'm not looking at either one of them because I want to make sure I don't see anything. Gonna put the goggles on. Ready to go. I have anxiety. It's so gross. It's literally, look at this. Oh my God. I literally got it in my mouth. This isn't cute. So, done with round 1, and I almost lost an eyelash. Yeah. But okay, let's see round number 2. I'm like nervous.
So since she went down the yellow slide the first time, I'm gonna try to trick all of you guys and have her go down the yellow slide again. So we're just gonna squirt this everywhere. So first I did yellow mustard, now I'm gonna do honey mustard. By the way, this is all expired, so we're not wasting food. It's gonna go in the garbage anyway. It's a goddamn sandwich.
You guys chose me to go down the blue one by 57%. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. I didn't even make it through. What's good? I love you guys. That's so nasty. What the? Okay.
So since she didn't go down the yellow slide the last time and all of that stuff is still sitting on there, I'm just gonna go ahead and add this on top of the yellow slide again. So let's go. Yep, that should be good.
63% of you voted for the right one. Hope you guys got my back. Kind of, my heart is pounding. I feel oh, it's so cold. Do I have it on my face?
All in your hair.
We love that. How's my eyelash?
Hanging in there.
Oh my God, my poor grass.
So I'm kind of over the yellow slide. We're gonna give that one a break and we're gonna put some sugar-free syrup. Gotta stay healthy, kids. And we're gonna put that on the blue slide and we'll see what you guys will choose and hopefully I'll trick all of you. There we go.
Fourth and last round. 55% of you voted for west, north. It's the blue one.
They're upside down.
They're upside down? Are you kidding? Oh. Ready, set. Ah! It's actually not that sticky. We got 3 out of the 4. What the heck? Oh. My eyelash is still on. Go buy my eyelashes, they stay on. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I had so much fun. I really want to do more challenges, so definitely comment below what other ones I should do. I feel so gross. I need to take a shower. But don't forget to subscribe, and we'll be right here and down below, and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload a new video. Like, no. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Can't. Bye.